CBS ArcSafe introduces the Remote Switch Kit ABL1, a remote motor control center operator exclusively for Allen Bradley Centerline 2100 Series MCCs. The RSK-ABL1 requires no pre-positioning of the actuator regardless of switch position. The ABL1 is magnetically held in place and requires no modification to the switch gear. The ABL1 utilizes two paddles that operate small or medium MCC handles regardless of its position. The patented design can operate 90-degree or 120-degree throw angles. Perhaps the most unique feature of the ABL1 is the standard wireless controller. The controller offers a range of up to 50 feet. The wireless system utilizes a paired digital radio system. The standard lithium battery offers up to 3,000 operations and 10-year shelf life. The ABL1 includes a durable Pelican storage case, but it can also be conveniently stored on location beside the MCC panel, utilizing the mounting magnets on the actuator and the controller. This encourages usage and improves efficiency. For more information or to order the RSK-ABL1, call 1-877-472-3389 or visit chickenswitch.com.